Guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also, I want to take time to thank all my Patreon and OnlyFans supporters. Check out this new merch I dropped by now for $5 billion. Also, remember to hit that bell icon. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. Remember to share this with all your friends. Now let's start the video. I think I'm gonna end the video there. I never want to watch that again. Remember to click the like button. Stay tuned for the next one.